there! The much awaited video is finally here. Motorola QLED Smart TV. Now QLED TVs are finally coming into the budget segment, and that's great. Now for those who don't know, QLED TVs are essentially LED TVs with a quantum dot filter between the backlight and the LCD layer, which helps produce much better colors than regular LED TVs. Now this is a 50-inch 4K variant running the latest Android TV 11 with all the features that you look for in a smart TV. Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, 60-watt sound output, all the apps you need, and even a wireless gamepad for gaming. Isn't that cool? So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it, we'll have a closer look at it, and I'll let you know if this one is worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Motorola QLED TV. It's got a nice clean packaging. On the bottom left, 100% color gamut, quantum dot filter, which means that it's a QLED TV, and Amphi Sound X Pro. On the side are some manufacturing details, made in India, contents of the box, and the MRP, which is 59,999. Alright, can't wait, let's unbox it. So here's everything that you get inside the box, starting with the quick start guide and user manual. You can go through this before you get started. Then there is a metal wall mount bracket included in the retail packaging, which is great. Then you have screws and bolts for the wall mount bracket. Then you have two metal stands, yes, solid metal, and I love that curved design. Comes with this grey matte powder coating, looks very premium. At the bottom you can see there's rubber at the base, which gets a good grip on the table. Really nice, sturdy metal stands. Then you have 4 screws to fix the stands. 2 AA batteries for the remote. You have the power cable. You have the AV composite adapter, helpful for set-top boxes that lack an HDMI port. And here is the remote. Now this is a combination of Bluetooth and infrared, and I love this curved design. It's so ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Also worth mentioning, this is a really light and comfortable to use remote. It comes with a power button, home button, D-pad in the center, back button. You have the volume button, shortcut keys for Netflix, YouTube, Prime Videos, Google Play, and the Google Voice Assistant button. Really nice. I'm really impressed with the remote quality. And finally, here's something that we usually don't see with many TVs, and that is a wireless gamepad. Yes, there's also a micro USB to USB cable to charge the wireless gamepad, and these really small things make a difference. Now this is not even small. Imagine playing your game. Now there are a lot of games on the Play Store which actually need a gamepad to be played. So it's really nice that Motorola has taken the effort to provide a gamepad along with the TV accessories. It's really good. Build quality, of course made of plastic, but really nice, solid, very well built. So we have fixed the stands and table mounted the TV. The frame is protected with a plastic film to prevent scratches or any damage. Now, once we remove it, you can see a super clean bezel-less design. Extremely slim on all the 3 sides. The bottom bezel is also quite thin, Motorola branding in the center, and Dolby Vision Atmos logo on the extreme right. Here are the dimensions of the TV, 45-inch by 26-inch. Will be helpful for those who have limited space. Also, the distance between the 2 stands is 38 inches. Now this will be helpful for those who have smaller tables, like I do. It's barely fitting in. Moving to the back, it's clean and very well built. The power port is on the right, while the rest of the ports are on the side, which would make it extremely easy to reach even if the TV is wall mounted. Starting from the top, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, LAN, antenna, optical, 3 HDMI ports, 3.5 headphone jack, and AV input. All 3 HDMI ports are HDMI 2.1, and HDMI 1 port supports eARC, so you can connect it to Dolby Atmos supported soundbars or home theater system for the best audio experience. Only thing is that you'll have to enable ARC from the audio settings. Then we also get USB 3.0 port, so faster transfer speeds while playing content from your pen drive. Now if I had to nitpick, the 3.5mm headphone jack and HDMI port are too close to each other, and you might have trouble accessing both of them at the same time. A little more spacing would have been better. Alright, let's quickly talk about the specs. 4K VA panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, 2GB RAM with 16GB internal storage, HDMI 2.1 with eARC support, Dolby Vision support, 400 nits peak brightness, two-way Bluetooth, 60-watt sound output with Dolby Atmos support, and it's running the latest Android TV 11 OS. So we turn on the TV and we're greeted with the Motorola logo followed by the new Android TV 11 animation. Follow the setup process and it should be ready to use in a couple of minutes. Alright, we're ready and booted, and the first thing that gets my attention is the amazing vibrant colors. Now I'm not sure if the camera can capture this color clarity, but the Netflix logo just stands out. It just pops. The blues, the reds, the yellows, they just look so much more amazing. Actually, you have to see it to believe it, that how the colors on a QLED totally stand out. It's amazing. Meanwhile, of course, you have the same Android TV interface, the app row on the top, and of course, the content row below. Tons of apps here. Now you need to know that since this comes with 2 GB of RAM, the performance is pretty good, it's not laggy at all, and it's really smooth to use. Let's also check out the Android version number. Coming to device preferences, about, right here at the bottom you can see Android 11. There you go. Let's also check out the storage. There you go, we get 8.3 GB of usable space out of 16 GB, so it's enough to install some games and a lot of apps. Coming to the app launcher, and you see Netflix again, Fastcast. So Fastcast is an app which will help you mirror your iPhone, Android phone, and even your Windows PC. So the first page shows you about Chromecast and some of the apps that support Chromecast, and what you can do is you can actually cast content from these apps to your TV without any third-party app. It's really helpful. So look out for that Chromecast icon in some of those apps that support it. Then you come into iPhone Share, where you can mirror your iPhone. Check this out. And there you go. We have mirrored iPhone using AirPlay from the control center. It's actually quite smooth, good enough to share pictures, presentation, and short videos on your TV. Further, coming to local cast, now this will help you mirror and play content from your Android phone to the TV. You can even mirror your Windows PC directly, and hotspot. Coming back, you have Smart Player, which is the default media player, Prime Videos app, the Google Play Store, YouTube Music, Google Play, YouTube app, Google Games, and Audio Connect. Now Audio Connect is basically two-way Bluetooth. The first way is the regular way, where you can connect your favorite pair of Bluetooth earphones, headphones, or even a soundbar that supports Bluetooth to your TV and hear the audio from it. And the second one is just super amazing. You can use your phone's Bluetooth, connect it to the TV, and you can actually hear the audio from the TV speakers. It's such an amazing concept. Check this out. Now right now that audio is actually playing from the TV speakers, and you can even control it from here. Pause, play, and even next. You can even scrub. Alright, let's move to the most important aspect of this TV, the display. Now here's a 4K video playing on YouTube, and it's streaming at full 4K, buttery smooth with no lag, no jitter whatsoever. The images are super crisp and you can actually see the detail in them. The blacks are good enough, but not very deep. No complaints though. The panel also gets super bright and helps enhance the images. Now it comes with a peak brightness of 400 nits and it feels more than enough. Now coming to the color. Now though vivid, they aren't as saturated as we expected from a QLED TV. In fact, it's leaning more towards natural colors, but trust me, they're a lot easy on the eyes. But this is an HDR video, so I thought of playing something non-HDR, and the colors just pop. Check that out. Frankly, it's really hard to actually show the true colors while recording from a camera, but it looks really nice and punchy. Here's a demo video showing the bright whites and the deepest blacks in one frame. There's no halo effect and no light bleed was noticed around the edges. Now, even though this is a VA panel, we didn't notice any drastic shift of color and tone. Check it out. Also, special mention is about the MEMC on this TV. It's powered with the top brands. In fact, I'd say it's one of the best. Motion compensation works flawlessly. Each frame is buttery smooth. It's a treat to watch videos and sports content with MEMC turned on. Here's a quick comparison. A video with MEMC turned off, and now you can see the same video with MEMC turned on. Now, it might be a little hard to notice the difference, but it's miles smoother. Excellent job, Motorola. The TV also comes with Dolby Vision, and what better way to check than Netflix. Now Netflix has tons of Vision content available here. You can see the Vision logo on the left. Here's a video playing. Now most TVs with low brightness levels make Dolby Vision content look very dull, but on this Motorola TV, it's bright and very clear. Alright, coming to gaming. Now before we get started, we need to pair the wireless gamepad. So first, press the X button along with the Motorola logo power button for a few seconds. The 4 lights will quickly start blinking. Then go to your TV's Bluetooth setting and search. Gamepad will show up. Click pair and you'll be done in a couple of seconds. Let's start with Asphalt 8. Well, firstly, controlling the cards with a gamepad could be confusing initially, but you quickly get the hang of it. It was a really nice experience. However, I did notice drop frames and I could feel the lag at times. The game definitely needs more optimization for Android TV, but mostly it played well. Then here's a gameplay of Dead Trigger 2, and this is where it's a treat playing with the gamepad. Not a single drop frame and extremely smooth animation. Really glad that Motorola has taken the effort to provide a wireless gamepad. Enjoy your Android games like never before. Also played some 4K content from the pen drive and all files played without any hiccup. The best part was the speed at which the videos loaded, all thanks to the USB 3.0. So now play your local files directly on your big screen using the default media player. So the TV also comes with Google Play Store, from where you can download over 5,000 apps and games. All your favorite streaming apps are available here. Tons of games to choose from, and now since you already have a gamepad provided, you can literally play every game from the Play Store. Moving to the audio. So it comes with a 4-unit speaker setup, 30-watt bass speaker and 30-watt high-octave tweeters, giving you a total of 60 watts. Time for a demo.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rug. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. How can you...
Oh my god, it's one of the best audio experiences from a TV in this price category. Seriously, you get this TV and you aren't going to need a soundbar, unless you're looking for that crazy thumpy deep bass. But then, they sound really rich and they actually produce enough deep bass as well. It's loud, it's clear, above all, it's very immersive. The audio system on the Motorola TV is truly amazing. Now, let's talk about the cons. Well, there's actually nothing to pinpoint considering it's so feature-packed, but still, if it had a 120Hz display, that would have just been next level. However, for the price, it would be a long shot. Overall, this QLED TV is a great buy for the price. Now, coming to the price, so it's currently selling at $49,999, which I still think is a good price. A QLED TV with tons of features and excellent audio. But what got me even more excited is that a 55-inch Motorola QLED TV is priced at just $54,999. So you pay 5,000 rupees extra and you get a 55-inch QLED TV, which I think is a steal. Of course, keep in mind, bigger the TV, more the space you need, and you need to watch it from further distance. So take a call accordingly. I'll leave the links for both the TVs in the description. Both are easily recommended. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.